Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if folders and file names are not showing properly or displaying on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So there's different reasons this could be occurring, from system image files being corrupted with the different third-party programs or applications interfering, that the sort of things are problems with your graphics card drivers. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart your graphics card driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do on your keyboard, so press the Windows key combinations, Control Shift plus B keys. Alright? So kailangan mo lang pagsabayin yung Windows key combinations, Control Shift, and then yung B keys para ma-restart your graphics card driver para ma-fix yung problem. Alright? So, after dito, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. Alright, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating graphics drivers. So ang gagawin natin dyan is to uninstall. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So select and right click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung uninstall. So once na uninstall mo na siya, and then back ka ulit dito, and then kailangan mo lang i-reinstall itong ating graphics driver para ma-fix yung problem. Alright? So after dito sa device manager, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair your system files. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all, small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang si start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix folder and file names are not showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.